Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Sticker. So today we're going to check out some more hair transformations. Here we have someone with mid-length hair, and the stylist has cut the hair into this beautiful angled bob haircut. Now this is the perfect length if you still want to keep some of your hair but you want to go shorter. Next up, we have a pixie undercut. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a like and of course hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video. So here we have this beautiful rainbow colored bob. Absolutely stunning. This one does feature bangs as well, and the color is so vibrant and gorgeous. Next up, we see this beautiful pixie cut. Loving the choppiness within this cut. Beautiful baby bangs as well. And the stylist took her even shorter. Still just as beautiful. Next up, we have another bob haircut transformation. She does have beautiful, well-blended, subtle, chunky highlights mixed in with her hair. Really pretty hair coloring idea. And then here we see someone with mid-length hair. It looks like the stylist is giving her a lob haircut. Taking the hair even shorter and turning it into a bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous angled bob. Love the angled bangs in the front. Her hair looks so modern and glamorous. Next up, we see a classic bob. Looks like the stylist is just kind of trimming her up. So he did create some nice, fresh curtain style bangs. Lots of shape and body within this bob. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with burgundy colored red hair. And the stylist is cutting the hair into a beautiful lob haircut. This hair color looks absolutely amazing on her. Beautiful angled bob, long bangs in the front, stunning. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.